Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to adjust timer settings on your Hisense Smart TV. This is very simple. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So on your Hisense Smart TV, if you want to adjust the timer settings, go over to your settings over here, come to the option that says system, and the second option is for timer settings. So adjust the timer settings to suit your preference. So for instance, there's a sleep timer. You can turn it on or off over here. You can choose the minutes. So if I choose 90 minutes, after 90 minutes, my Hisense Smart TV is going to go to sleep. I can turn it off over here. There's power on timer. You can choose to turn it on or off here. Till will be turned on automatically with these settings. So you can choose a time that you want your TV to be turned on or turned off, or you can come back here. What did I do? Let's go back to where I was. So please click on settings, over to system, and there's timer settings. So there are various timer settings. There's menu timer, there's power off timer, there is auto sleep, and so on. Auto standby with no signal. If you want to edit any timer settings, this is where you turn them on or off. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.